Samsung's Galaxy A54 5G improves upon the already excellent mid-range phone to become the best in its segment. I've been using the Galaxy A54 5G for more than 2 weeks, and I've been enjoying it a lot more than I thought I would. There are a couple of things I wish Samsung would have done differently. This device is the successor of the wildly popular Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. One of the key selling points of this device is its 5G connectivity, which allows for lightning-fast download and upload speeds. This makes it an ideal choice for streaming video, playing online games, and browsing the web at high speeds. Here are some pros and cons of the Galaxy A54 5G. Decent hardware performance. The new Exynos 1380 system-on-chip is a significant improvement to the previous chipset used in the Galaxy A53. Its performance is similar to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 key found in the Galaxy A52s and Galaxy A73. This chip is capable enough to run modern apps and handle mobile gaming. The 5nm process used in the Exynos 1380 also translates to better power efficiency. Premium and fresh build and design. A notable selling point of the Galaxy A54 is its new design. It still has a plastic chassis, but its back is covered with glass. The camera system on the rear is similar to the camera layout used in the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus. This device even looks similar to the S23. The cleaner camera design marks a departure from the cluttered design of the previous generations of the series. Competent camera performance. There are 3 rear cameras, a main camera with a 50-megapixel sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, as well as a 5-megapixel macro camera. The front camera is a 32-megapixel shooter. The general image quality looks sharper and less saturated. Video quality also has more realistic color, and the main and ultra-wide rear cameras record up to 4K video at 30 frames per second. Gorilla Glass 5 and IP67 rating. Durability is another selling point. The front and back are covered with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5, which allows the phone to survive drops from up to 1.2 meters onto rough and hard surfaces, with 2x scratch resistance improvement. The entire device also has an IP67 rating that confers it with dust resistance and water resistance of up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. Big and bright OLED screen. The Samsung Galaxy A54 looks even more premium due to its 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen with brightness that peaks to 1000 nits. It supports HDR10+ and has a 1080p resolution. The pixel density is around 403 pixels per inch for a sharper and more comfortable viewing experience. The display also supports a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, and it can be dialed down to 60 Hz. Long-term upgrade and support. Another notable advantage of the Galaxy A54 over other mid-range devices from other manufacturers is its long-term software upgrade and security support. Samsung promises to provide this device with 4 years of major operating system updates and 5 years of security patches. This provides additional value for money as it assures device longevity and usability. Not flagship-level capabilities. This smartphone is a capable device in terms of hardware performance. It has faster CPU and GPU than its predecessor. It still experiences occasional performance issues when running multiple apps in the background and when put under resource-intense tasks. The Exynos 1380 is a good mid-range chip but struggles with intense and extensive mobile gaming and video editing. Average low-light performance. Low-light photography using the main camera is above average compared with most mid-range smartphones, but image quality can be inconsistent. The ultra-wide camera is not as good. It struggles under poor lighting conditions, and this is evident from the lack of sharpness, details, and poor color reproduction. The same is true for video recording under low light. Removal of telephoto camera. Another notable drawback of the Samsung Galaxy A54 is the absence of a telephoto camera on the rear. This might not sit well with other consumers who want a dedicated camera for optical zooming capable of taking images from a distance. No charger and wireless sharing. This device also ships without a charger, unlike its predecessors. This could be off-putting for most prospective consumers given its price tag. Companies like Samsung have explained that the removal of chargers in new devices is part of their efforts to reduce waste from consumer electronic devices. The A54 also lacks wireless charging. This is understandable for a mid-range device. Other remarkable issues. Other notable cons or disadvantages of the Samsung Galaxy A54 are the absence of a headphone jack and the use of an outdated USB Type-C charging is slow at 25 watts. Take note that a lot of mid-rangers have faster charging speeds. The in-screen fingerprint scanner is still based on optical scanning rather than the better and more responsive ultrasonic scanning technology. The Samsung Galaxy A54 is a mid-range smartphone that offers great value for its price. It is a refreshing upgrade from its predecessors. The overhauled look and feel somewhat resemble the more premium Samsung Galaxy S23. It also retains the usual features and functionalities found in modern mid-range Android smartphones. It has several remarkable features. These include decent hardware performance, premium and fresh build and design, competent camera performance, Gorilla Glass 5 and IP67 rating, big and bright OLED screen, and long-term upgrade and support. However, it is still a mid-range smartphone and cannot compete with high-tier smartphones in the market. It also has occasional performance issues when running resource-intense tasks. Nevertheless, the Samsung Galaxy A54 offers a great deal and is a good option for those who want a reliable smartphone with decent features at an affordable price. That concludes today's update. I hope you found the information useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic, so please leave your comments in the section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.